Oren is an orange alien with 2 antennae. He always hears headphones, and his character is confident and relaxed. Music, and it looks like Oren and Pinky are dating. Music type kick drum. Ruddy is a red demon with 4 sharp cones on his head. The character is always annoyed, and Ruddy has no friends. Music type snare. Clucker is a silver character with a dish on his head, with an antenna at the corner. The music type is crash cymbal. Funbot is a kind robot with 2 yellow antennae. Music type drum. Vineria is a green plant with flowers on her head and with a sting coming out of her head. He does gardening as a hobby. Music type hand moving in the hair. Gray is a gray cat with freckles. The sign is always he's not impressed with a straight lined mouth. Music type is the silence electric guitar music. Rude is a character with a bucket on his head. He has a bucket because he always hides his spike from the others. Music type hitting the bucket. Granold is an inventor. He created Mr. Fun Computer, Clucker, and Funbot. The music type is battery. Owak is a character with spikes on his head. Veneria and Owak are always dating. Musical type crash cymbal. Sky is a character like a blue gummy bear. His color is sky, and he looks like the dentist mishap victim in the horror version. Musical type music box. Mr. Sun is a sun. He wants to be friends with everyone, that he shrinks all the time. Because he cannot talk and he cannot say what's the reason why he wants to be friends with everyone. Musical type piano. Derpol is a purple dragon with pointy spikes on his head. Musical type trumpet. Mr. Tree is a mutant tree, always smiling with a big mouth. Musical type organ. Simon is a yellow alien with 2 antennae and 2 sharp ears on his cheek. Musical type robot music. Tanner is a peach character with 4 ears down with a brown hat. It means it's a detective. Musical type whistling. Mr. Fun Computer was built by Granold, and Mr. Fun Computer is a computer in a table with a wire, a brown table in a wire, and he always wears a propeller hat, a multicolored propeller hat, and his musical type is a robot voice. Wenda is a white cat with fur and is always barking. Hi. Musical type, vocals or a dog barking. Pinky is a pink bunny. He's dating with Oren all the time. And he's a bunny because Valeria and Pinky are always hopping. Musical type, vocals. Jevin is a blue colored character. He's the one who always makes vocals for the Ohio church, and he always wears a jacket all the time, even though it is a hot day. Music, and he's also the character in the apocalypse. Musical type, vocals. Black is with a black skull in phase 2, and he has no music. Black is the only character with no officially given name. The musical type is no, nothing, matter, and Sprunky will never be the same again.